Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you, as always, and this time for tuning in to my 3118th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. This is for trading on August 13th, Wednesday. I believe it's Wednesday. Let me check that for you. For August 13th, Thursday, 2026. This is for trading on Thursday, August 13th, 2026. Remember, trading is risky. Never trade without protective stops. Any market that you trade that allows protective stops, put those stops in, even if it's an emergency stop far away. Disasters happen at least once a year in our business. At least. Make sure you're not part of that disaster. Use your stops. Traders, what's going on for trading on Thursday? Well, the Omni, as I mentioned in last night's video, even though it wanted us to start off selling rallies, the charts are so bullish that we were going to be nimble. If we sell anything Wednesday, we're getting out quick. I wasn't nimble enough. We got stopped out getting short. We got stopped out in NASDAQ. We got stopped out in wheat. All right, not every day is a winning day for Omni, right? We almost always have winning months. So now we did get the signal. They were bullish, and Omni finally flipped to the green side. Omni is now green for trading on Thursday. And as you can see, we have a bull flag right here. And we broke out of the bull flag, an ideal time for the Omni to get bullish, just ideal. So that's what you look like in your Russell 2000. NASDAQ looks kind of the same. E-mini S&P looks kind of the same. What I don't like is this. Look at this. Crypto fans, look at Bitcoin. It just keeps looking worse each day. As you've seen in many videos, we started off with this bear flag. The pole you can't even see because it's back so far. Created a bear flag. When we hit the top of that bear flag, we dropped through the bottom. The bear flag worked. And it created a new flag pole. Boom. That started a new flag. We hit the top, got through the bottom, and boom, that flag worked. Created another flagpole. Created a flag, hit the top, fell apart, hit the bottom, went back to the top, halfway down, hit the top again a few days ago, and has been dropping since. Let me move this over for you so you can see it even better. So you see what I'm saying? This doesn't look good compared to the indices at all. So I wanted to make sure that crypto fans seen that so that you know what's going on with Bitcoin. As you know, I've exited Bitcoin a while ago and put money into my Omni trading token instead, the OMNIPHOENIX. We use that instead of Bitcoin for the moment. Is Bitcoin a better market? Yeah. Is it a better crypto? Yeah. Is it a better crowd? Yeah. But it's going down and my crypto's been going up, so I buy my crypto instead. Maybe one day I'll get back in Bitcoin. Now remember, I've been in Bitcoin since like 2012. It's the first time I'm out of it since 2012. But it is what it is. I follow charts, not opinions, not feelings, just charts. So I wanted to make sure that you've seen that. We'll go back here and just remind you that we're going to be buying dips in E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ, or Russ if we can get a fill. Join me at livewithoscar.com. It's absolutely free, by the way. I am live streaming every day on TikTok. I'm live streaming every day on YouTube. I'm live streaming every day in my own private trading room where you're allowed to, everyone's invited. It's free, no credit cards. I am live streaming at all times in everything I can stream on to get more awareness of the Omni community, to get more people to trade the Omni way, to get them in the fiat markets and some of them into the crypto markets. But I work this thing every day, kids. I work as much as I can to make sure that the Omni is known around the world and people can trust the Omni system. Again, we lost on Wednesday, but that's just par for the course. You know what I mean? We're day traders. I don't expect to lose tomorrow, I'll tell you that much. The other thing I wanted to point out on this chart is all-time highs are here. That's right about where we're almost at now. So there is going to be a challenge here tomorrow. You must be careful. I say we blow right through it, but we'll take it one step at a time. Traders, make sure that you join Live with Oscar. Make sure you join my live AMAs all day long in YouTube, Twitter, and everywhere else I just told you. And remember to keep your emotions out of trading. How do we do that? We say this to ourselves over and over again. By the way, tomorrow I'll get out in front of the camera. We'll do a more comprehensive video, but the signal changed. I wanted to get this out right away. Remember this, traders. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll. Thank you for all you do. Please leave your comments below. I answer all of them personally. Like and share these videos, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.